press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, hello my dear students. Yes, in the previous session we discussed about soil. Soil is a natural resource. Soil is the upper layer of the earth. See, the soil is a play important role life sustaining on the earth. And we discussed about soil formation, and then what does soil contain. Yes, you know, so soil contain rocks, stones, and also it contains minerals, and also it's contain dead and decay organic matter of animals and plants. It is called what? Humus. And soil contain air and water. About all these things we studied in the previous session. Okay, my dear students, today we are going to discuss about types of soil. Types of soil. Okay, there are 3 types of soil. First one, clay soil. Second one, sandy soil. Third one, loamy soil or garden soil. We call it as a loamy soil or garden soil. Yes, we classified 3 main types of soil. First one, clay soil, sandy soil. Third one, loamy or garden soil. Okay, see, first we are going to learn about clay soil. Clay soil ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, see, the clay soil is sticky. Clay soil is sticky. Sticky ಅಂದರೆ ಜಿಗುಟಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವುದು? clay soil. Clay soil is sticky and it is a very tiny particles. See, this clay soil contain what? Very tiny particles. So very fine. Very fine powdered. So it's a very small particle it contains. Okay, we use this clay soil to making of pots, toys, and the models, means statues. See, clay soil is used for making toys, pots, and models. As you have seen mud pot. So ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಡಕೆ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? What it is? Pot. Pot ಅಂದರೆ ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಡಕೆ. See, this type of pot is made by clay soil. So clay soil ಇಂದ ನಾವು potsನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, and we use clay soil for to making toys. See, nowadays you are playing with the plastic toys, isn't it? But in the ancient people, so ancient peoples are ancient children. So nowadays you are playing with the plastic, but ಕೆಲವೊಬ್ರು ಈಗಲೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಡಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಏನ್ಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಹಳೇದ ಪೀಪಲ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಮಣ್ಣಿನಿಂದ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪೋಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು, ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ it is used for making models. So models means, see, for example, as you have seen Ganesha Chaturthi. So Ganesha Chaturthi time alli ನಾವು ಗಣೇಶನ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? See, that Ganesha statue is made by this clay soil. ಸೊ ಗಣೇಶ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕ್ಲೇ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಗಣೇಶನ ಮೂರ್ತಿನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೇ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೇಡಿ ಮಣ್ಣು. ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲೇ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟು ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಫೈನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಫೈನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ತುಂಬ ಚಿಕ್ಕದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಪರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಫೈನ್ ಪರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ absorb lot of water. See, it contains a lot of water, much water. This soil hold. Which soil? Clay soil hold lot of water. It hold lot of water. See, this soil can hold lot of water, and then it is and there is no space for air in between, because it is very fine and sticky and it holds lot of water. It can hold a lot of water and there is no space for air. So there is no space for air in the between the particles. So particles na middle alli there is no air to space for air, but it can holds lot of water. And this clay soil is not suitable for growth of plants. See, it's not help to growth of plants. So clay soil alli normally plants growth agodu kammi, because they cannot hold, there is no space for air. So that's why. Okay, clay soil is a sticky and it is used for making toys, pots, and it can hold a lot of water and there is no space for air in between these particles, because it's a very fine particles. Okay, next is about sandy soil. So next ನಾವು sandy soil ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು clay soil ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. Next we are going to learn about sandy soil. Sandy soil means sand. Second one, sandy soil means ಮರಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. We call it as a ಮರಳು. Sandy soil, it's a sand. See, sandy soil is mostly found in deserts and seashores. It is found in seashore and deserts, and it is most probably is found in seashore and desert ಅಂದರೆ ಮರಳುಗಾಡು. ಸೊ ಮರಳುಗಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮರಳಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೀಶೋರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಮುದ್ರದ ದಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಸಮುದ್ರದ ದಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಸಿ sandy soil is mostly found in seashore and the deserts. See, sand particles are big when we compare to clay soil. When we compare to clay soil, it's a bigger in size. Sandy soil particles are big. Sandy soil particles are big and it cannot hold water. See, this sandy soil cannot hold water. See, but in the clay soil can hold much water, lot of water, but the sandy soil cannot hold water. And see, there is a lot of space. There is lot of space between particles, between soil or particles. So one soil ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು soil ಗೂ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಬೇಸ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಜ್ and there is a lot of space between soil. Okay, see, so that's why, so there is a much air, so now it cannot hold water, but there is a lot of space between soil, means particles. Okay, see, sandy soil is not good for growth of plants. So sandy soil alli almost plants ಗಳು grow ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Some plants, for example cactus plants can grow in a sandy soil, but most probably all plants are not grow in a sandy. Okay, see, sandy soil is most found in seashore or desert, and sandy soil particles are big, and then it cannot hold water, and there is a lot of space between soil particles, and it is not good for growing plants. Sandy soil is not good for growing plants. Okay, next is about garden soil or loamy soil. Third one, garden soil or loamy soil. Okay, see, garden soil or loamy soil is a mixture of sandy soil and clay. So it is a mixture of clay and sand. See, the garden soil is a mixture of sand and clay. Okay, next is sandy soil contain air and water both. It contains air and water, and also it contains what? Humus. It contains humus also. Humus means it's a dead and decay matter of animals and plants. Humus means it is dead and decay plants and animals matter, is called what? Humus. See, garden soil or loamy soil are a mixture of clay and sand, and then it contains air and water, and also humus, and also minerals also. So it's a contain rich amount of minerals, and this garden soil or loamy soil is helps to growth of plants. It is good for growing plants. It is best for plants. So why it is best? Because it contains humus. Yes, you know, plants need nutrients. See, plants again nutrients beku, minerals beku. See, this garden soil contain what? Humus, minerals and nutrients. So that's why it is best for plants. Which soil is best for plants? Garden soil or loamy soil is the best for plants. Why it is best? Because it contains humus, air, water and minerals. See, plants, it is the best for plants. Okay, next is, okay, we studied about types of soil: clay soil, sandy soil and garden soil or loamy soil. Next is about uses of soil. Now next ಈಗ ಯೂಸಸ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಸಾಯಿಲಿಂದ. Uses of soil. Okay, see, mainly first use is plants are grown in soil. So plants also grows on soil, isn't it? And plants get nutrients from soil, isn't it? Plants get nutrients from soil, okay, because it contains what? Humus. Okay, next is many animals like rat, earthworm, moles, beetles, see, many animals like a rat, earthworm, moles, beetles, these are make their house in soil. So rats makes holes in soil and they lays inside the soil, and earthworms also lays in soil, and soil is a home for many animals, and insects also. And we use soil to construct house. For example, mud. We use mud to construct kacha houses, isn't it? We use mud to make kacha houses. House. We use mud to make what? Construct houses. We use some rocks also to construct houses, to build houses, isn't it? And we use many stones like diamond, ruby. See, these are all the stones. It's a very precious stones. We use these stones to make what? Jewelry. It's used for to make jewelry, diamond and then rubies, these all. And we use many types of rocks like red stone. For example, red stone is used to construct building. For example, red fort. This see, the red fort is constructed by which type of stone? Red stone. And next is about a Taj Mahal. See, you have seen Taj Mahal. It's a very beautiful building. It's a beautiful monument. See, this monument is constructed Markara. Markara means marble. It's Amrita Shilayinda agide. Yavadu? Taj Mahal, isn't it? See, the uses of soil. When you see the uses of soil, plants are grown in soil and plants get nutrients from soil, and many animals like a rat, earthworm, mouse, beetles, they live in soil and they get food from there also. And we use the mud to make kacha houses, and the potter uses make pot. Potter uses clay soil to make pot, isn't it? Potters use clay soil to make pots. See, potter uses what? Clay soil to make pot. Okay, next. See, these are all the uses of soil. Remember, the soil takes millions of years. See, for example, for teaspoon of soil, it takes thousands of years to form. So, when the teaspoon has to soil agbeku ಅಂದ್ರೆ it takes thousands of years. But don't pollute this soil. Okay, so just prevent the soil because it's a nature gift. Don't pollute this soil. See, nowadays we are going to pollute the soil in different types. By the human activities, it is polluting. Don't pollute the soil because it is a nature gift. It's a very important. Okay, see the summary of this lesson. See, now we got summary togonta hogona. See, the first is about a soil. Soil is the upper layer of earth. Soil is upper layer of earth. It's a natural resources. It's a natural resources. Okay. See soil. This soil, our earth is made up of a hard rocks and stones. The earth is covered with the rocks and stones. In the beginning there was no life on earth. It is covered with the rocks and stones. Okay. Slowly the bigger rocks are break down into smaller and smaller pieces. The bigger rocks are broken into smaller and smaller pieces because the action of sun heat and then rain and then wind. It's broken into smaller and smaller pieces. And these smaller pieces, this happens, it's continued for many years, thousands, millions of years after. See, it's rubbed. So these pieces, these tiny particles are rubbed each other and it become soil. Enaitadu soil agta bantu. See, we can see different types of soil in different places, in different colors also. Okay, this soil contains many things. So, soil contains rocks and stones. See, the soil contains rocks and stones in a different size and a different shape. And the soil contains minerals. See, minerals helps to growth of plants. And then soil contain humus. Humus means it's a dead and a decay of plants and animals. It's a dead and decay matter of plants and animals. And soil contain air and water also. Soil contains what? Air and water. Okay. See, next is about different types of soil. So there are three main different types of soil: clay soil, sandy soil and garden soil or loamy soil. First is about a clay soil. See, clay soil are very sticky. Clay soil is very sticky. And see, this clay soil used for making pots, toys and also the making idols, means monuments like statues. Example, Ganesha Murti. And next, clay soil can hold much water and there is no space for air. And it is not good for growing plants. Which one? Clay soil. See, this clay soil is used for to making pots and toys. And next is about a clay soil. Sandy soil. See, sandy soil are bigger in size particles. The particles of the soil is bigger in size. And we found sandy soil in seashore and deserts. We found sandy soil in seashore and deserts. Okay, and the sandy soil, see, the sandy soil is not good for growing plants because it cannot hold water. Sandy soil cannot hold water, so that's why it is not good for growing plants. Okay, next is about garden soil. See, the garden soil is a mixture of sandy soil and clay soil. Garden soil or a loamy soil is a mixture of clay soil and sandy soil. See, the clay soil contain air and water and also humus, means minerals. So it is very good, best for growing plants. Garden soil is best for growing plants. Okay. Next is uses of soil. As first one, plants get nutrients from soil. Plants get nutrients, minerals and the humus. So humus contains what? Nutrients and minerals. See, plants get nutrients from soil. And then potter uses clay soil to make pot. Potter ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಮಡಕೆ ಮಾಡೋರು ಕ್ಲೇ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಜೇಡಿ ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮಡಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. And then we use clay soil to make a toys also. And next, many animals like a rat, riddles and moles, these are all earthworm, these are all lives in soil and they make what? holes. So they make holes in the soil and they lived in this soil. So inside of this holes. And next is about see, we can construct kacha house by using mud. By using mud we can construct kacha houses, and we can use sand to construct building, and we can use many marbles and rocks to construct many monuments. Example, Taj Mahal and the Red Fort. We use a red stone to construct Red Fort. We use Markara marbles to construct Taj Mahal. So very attractive monuments, isn't it? And next, see, we use, it's a remember, you just remember, see, formation of soil, it takes millions of years ago. For a teaspoon of soil, ನಮಗೊಂದು teaspoon of soil ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ millions of years. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಟೀಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಅಷ್ಟು, ಒಂದು ಹಿಡಿಯಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತದು, ಒಂದು ಹಿಡಿಯಷ್ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಥೌಸಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ನೇಚರ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್. So soil is a nature gift. So that's why you don't pollute this soil. It's a nature gift. So don't pollute this soil. You just prevent the soil. Okay, my dear students. Thank you.